Good afternoon. Out on the boat again. How long for is another matter, because the winds are crazy. It's forecast 12 to 14, but I think it's about 25 mile an hour at the minute. But anyway, we're going out for an hour either way. Still safe, it looks flat calm. It's wind with tide, but we shall see. I just want to catch a few fish. I've no idea how this mic's going to come through. I sounded like a slobbering Labrador when I got it when it was hooked up to me. So I've just hooked it by my phone now. We'll see how we go. Trial and error. Jesus. Boing, boing, boing. There's a pair of lunatics out here on jet skis. Where's the other one gone? Donuts. Still, he's enjoying himself. Let's go catch some fish. Fucking thing, camera went off. I've been yakking to myself like an idiot for ages. Had a few pollock. Just about to crush the barbs on this treble hook. Oh, you're still on the edge of the rock. I've been waffling on about this rod. I never noticed the camera go off. Stupid ears, a stupid dirt forest. I don't know if the camera recorded it, but I hooked a pollock. This lure I've got on's got a treble hook on it as well. I haven't took it off yet. Wait for it to calm bloody down a bit, if it calms down today. As you can see, all the white caps. What the hell? Oh man! Yes! Yes! I caught one of these last week. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get it up for the camera. Beautiful cuckoo wrasse. That's the second one I've had now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Oops. Keep it still, mate. I'll let you go in a sec. The colours on him, absolutely beautiful. Love it. Just wish these bloody waves would bugger off. Alright, it's getting crazy now. So I'm going to pick this up and go head over there. Try and find a bit of shelter. I can't see this calming down to now, to be honest. It was forecast, but me being me, I'll get an hour, I'll get an hour. Right. Let's go and do a slow and steady. Oh. Slow and steady troll in there. Them lobster pots. Okay. bouncing over the windscreen. Shit. And get closer into the shore and then cut across there. Maybe won't be so bad. I can't see bagger all out the windows now. The waves are pounding over the top. Doesn't even look that bad. I wish they'd fit a window wiper on these. There's bound to be a boat window wiper. If anybody knows of one, might fit a Spectrum 480p. Let me know. Send me a link. Much appreciated. You can modify one from a car. Maybe. We got here. Little pollock. Tiny pollock. I wouldn't even class that as a fish finger. Maybe a kiddie's chicken nugget. Oh, another one. Straight in. More fish fingers. Yeah, oh. That one went with some. Only a farty one, but didn't half go. Bloody hell. A massive bumblebee here. Fuck off. Yeah. Ooh, feels like a little bit better one. Still a baby, but better than the fish fingers we have been having. Sounds like I'm moaning, but I'm not. I'm just glad to be out. I wish there was a damn sight calmer so we could get right out there, but you have to take what we can get. Well, here we go. More bloody pollock. Where's the mackerel, mate? Yep. Ooh. Yep. Two little pollock. But no bloody mackerel. More of the same. Two more bloody pollock. Poor Walt, he's going hungry tonight. You have to stop at the chip shop, mate, if you're watching. Where are we? We're right on the edge. So if I've got to catch pollock, I'm going to catch a few big ones. Oh. That feels like a better fish. Or two, or three. Come on. Three. Three little babies. Hooked one in the tail. Ouch, ouch, ouch. I'm sure you're bored of seeing them now. I know I am. Crikey, we're off there already. Jesus. Spin that there. Should, in theory, go over the rock. And not point it into the wind. Look, that's gone black camera on back screen again. I'm going to leave that on just to see if it's still recording. So If I am, this is test 1, test 2, test 3. Just make sure it's recording with a black front screen. Sounds stupid, so sorry, but... £21. More pollock. Can't grab the hook, it's too small. Just pollock. Pollock, loads of pollock. Caught them all. We had a bucket full last time we came out, me and Nigel. All I'm getting is these bloody things. I'm going in a minute. Right, giving up mackerel. Oh, mates are off. Just going to get the pole ready and sort the rods out when I get back, because it's, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's getting stupid out there. Everybody surfing, surfing USA. Still love it out here. But anyway, I'm going to head in and get the boat tied up pack the crap away. But thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully tomorrow morning. But if there's white caps like this, then it's probably not worth coming out. But we'll see. I think it's about 8 o'clock we can get out in the morning. So not as if I've got to get up early to check. But we've got a webcam in Cemaes Bay for the dental practice. Nigel's got one if you're after that. It's called the Moorings. It's got a webcam. You can see the sea and the beach. Worth a check out if you're bored. But anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Take care.